Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this video is one of our favourite places to eat in Singapore. This is a video about Gyu Nami. Lukash and I have done a series of videos on food centres or hawker centres here in Singapore, and our most recent one was about the Amoy Food Centre. The Amoy Food Centre is somewhere I went this time last year and had something called Gyu Nami, or a Wagyu Don. It was so good I was silent for an hour, which is unusual for me. And it was, I would say, a religious experience to a certain extent. Now the good news is that Gyu Nami have moved up in the world. Gyu Nami are now in the Orchard's Gateway shopping mall. They have their own restaurant there. And we went to spend some time with them and watch them prepare our Wagyu Dons. They are glorious. So what is a Wagyu Don? It's a rice ball wrapped in Wagyu, thin cut Wagyu beef, topped with a soft boiled egg or a sous vide egg and some special sauce and their special gravy. It is truly something out of this world. I really enjoyed it. And Lukash enjoyed it too, even though he opted to not have the white sauce, the yogurt-based sauce that they also add to it. Great experience. They also do other dishes, fish-based ones. We will be going back there to hopefully try something else out soon. But in the meantime, we hope you've enjoyed this video about Gyu Nami in the Orchard Gateway Centre in Singapore. It is truly out of this world. Gyu Nami is so good. Angela Lee was recently there and she really enjoyed it. So much so that she's left a signed shirt for them, which will soon be displayed in Gyu Nami. Alvin was great. He looked after us, explained how they made it and what his plans are for expansion of the menu. We got to taste some Wagyu offcuts of the beef they prepare, and it was delicious. I personally would use that in another dish, but we'll see what happens. So for now, thanks for watching. We really recommend you go to Gyu Nami if you are in Singapore. This is definitely a Tech Travel Geeks recommended venue. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to us. You'll see more of our travel and travel food videos, as well as tech reviews for consumer electronics that benefit travel. But for now, from myself and Lukash, thanks for watching. Goodbye.